Hey my angels, today I am bringing to you an apartment decor haul. So I went to a lot of places for 2 days straight. I went to HomeGoods, Target, and Marshalls, and a whole bunch of other places. So starting off with the things in the back, as you guys can see, I did get a vacuum. I got that from Target. I needed one really bad because when you have a weave, guys, that's an issue. So I got this Shark vacuum. That one was about $150. I did get it on clearance. It was originally $200, I believe. But then back there, you guys can see that I also got a little Christmas tree that I should have turned on. Stay back, let me go turn that on. Oh my gosh. It's so cute, it's so festive. And then also while I'm back here, I got these paintings here from HomeGoods. There's another one right there standing up, it's a huge one. And then I got this cabinet right here. This was $140. Oh, and then I also got this acrylic stool right here, which was $130. My brother and sister said that it wasn't worth it, but okay, now back to place. So starting off with Target, I got a few little things. I got 2 shower curtains because right now on my showers, I only have a little plastic cover that you guys saw in my empty apartment tour. I decided to get these 2. White shower curtain, and it just has like a very simple line design. And I got a second one. I think that this one's gonna be going in my shower. The other one is gonna be going into the guest bathroom. This one's more of like a quilted cotton material. I thought it was very homey and fresh. And I randomly picked up this candle. This one is Peach Prosecco. I got this for $5. I think it was 50% off. It's a very summery scent. And the last thing that I got from Target is this pink pillow. Unfortunately, there is only one of these pillows, and I was really sad because I wanted a set. But when I went to HomeGoods, I found one that goes very well with this same shade. And now moving on to HomeGoods so I can show you guys the pillow that I was talking about. This is the pillow here. I got this one for $20. It came as a little set with this blanket, but it's soft, so we're gonna find a way to work with that one. It doesn't go with my decor at all. But then I got 2 pairs of these pink sparkly towels. These are so cute. I'm gonna have these mostly as decor. So I got 2 of them, one for each bathroom. Oh my gosh, then I got this cute mirrored and jeweled up toothbrush holder. I really needed one of these. Then I got a matching trash can. This is such an extra trash can. It's all diamond up. It has some mirror right here, but I love it. I just love how bougie it looks. This was very expensive for a trash can, $40, but at least your toilet paper is gonna look cute, right? Then I got this cute little festive Let It Snow set. This one's kind of like a sparkly plain one, and then this one says Let It Snow for my oven area. I think it's gonna spice up the little kitchen. I just got mainly things to make the place feel a lot more cozy. Then I got these for both bathrooms. These are the same ones. I have tons of shampoos and like shaving creams, all that stuff. This is gonna be a lot more organized. And here's the second one. So I just got 2 of the same ones. Oh, and I didn't even show you guys this one. This one is from Target. This one was $40 plus 25% off. Today I saved $70. My mom was actually the first one to see this first. This is a 3-piece Ivory Vermont long faux fur full queen comforter set for my bed since it's getting super cold in my apartment right now instead of just having a normal, very light summery one. So, and of course, I needed to pick up 2 new pillows. These are by Eddie Bauer. These were $30, but these are kind of cool because these are gel pillows, so I guess they never get hot. Then lastly, from HomeGoods, this is the last bag. I had several bags, but we're almost done. So I got this gray pillow here. I actually forgot I got this one. This is just a gray little mini furry pillow just to have on my couch, so that's gonna be a cute little accent piece.
Stop reading over here.
And to go along with my sparkly decor and my sparkly towels that were pink, I got a sparkly little rug. It does have some sparkles to it. I'm so excited because pink and sparkly. Very last thing that I got from HomeGoods is this Faux Fur Throw. This is, oh, it has a pocket with the duck. It's super soft and I like the tones. It's like a creamish white grayish tone. So the last place that I stopped by was Marshalls, and I got some organizing bins for under my sink since everything's just kind of thrown in there right now. For my bathroom, these are like a grayish basket looking baskets, and oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I think I swallowed a fuzz or something. Then I got this 2-piece for $13. And for the kitchen, I picked up this Faberware 15-piece stainless steel cutlery set. And for my outside little porch area, I got these 10-feet string lights. I got 2 just in case because it only comes with 6 of the bulbs. So like I said, I picked up 2. And the last few things I got, this is really random, an egg holder because I thought that this would look a lot cuter than just in the cartons. I think this has to be the most exciting thing that I got from my entire shopping spree. A sponge holder. I'm so excited for this. Then I got these 2 covers for my I got these 2 pillow covers. These came out to $7. And the very last thing to conclude this giant haul is this. And this came out to $10, just a very plain trash can to put under my sink. So that's pretty much it. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want some more of these types of hauls, I'll be more than happy to do them because I'm sure I'm going to be decorating a lot more. This was just kind of like the beginning. Love you guys. Bye.